Hey everyone, welcome back to Innovative AI. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of deleting your Instagram account. Whether you're taking a break from social media or looking to permanently remove your presence, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you need to decide whether you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. Deactivating your account will make it invisible to others but allows you to reactivate it later. Deleting your account, however, is a permanent action that will remove all your photos, videos, followers, and comments forever. If you choose to delete your account permanently, make sure to back up your data first. This includes all your photos, videos, and any important information. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app, go to Settings, then Account, and select Your Activity. From there, tap on Download Your Information. Instagram will email you a file with all your data. It may take up to 48 hours for this to arrive. To delete your account, you'll need to use a web browser. Instagram doesn't allow you to delete your account from the mobile app. Open a web browser on your computer or phone, go to instagram.com, and log in with your username and password. Step 4. Access the account deletion page. Once you're logged in, go to the Instagram account deletion page. This isn't accessible directly from the app, so you might need to use a specific link, which we'll provide in the description below. Type in the URL www.instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent. Step 5. Select a reason for deleting your account. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the drop-down menu. Select a reason for leaving Instagram from the drop-down menu provided. Step 6. Re-enter your password. Next, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm it's really you who wants to delete the account. Re-enter your password in the designated field to verify your identity. Step 7. Permanently delete your account. Finally, click the button that says, Permanently delete my account. A pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete it. Once you confirm, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. Click Permanently delete my account and confirm your choice in the pop-up window. And that's it. Your account is now deleted. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to deleting your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.